Hello, my friend. Welcome back to Learn Slow. Today, I want to tell you a story. It is not just a story. It is also English practice. The story is about my first train journey. Yes, my first time on a train. I was a little nervous. I was a little excited. And it was a big adventure. Listen to me slowly. Repeat after me if you want, and enjoy the story. Let's begin. It was a Saturday morning. The sun was rising. The air was fresh. I woke up early, very early, because that day was special. That day, I was going to travel by train for the first time in my life. I got out of bed. I washed my face. I brushed my teeth. I ate a quick breakfast, bread, butter, and tea. While I ate, I thought, what will the train look like? What will the station feel like? Will I meet new people? My heart was beating fast. I felt happy and curious. After breakfast, I packed my bag. I checked everything twice: ticket, water bottle, some snacks, and my book. I left my house. I walked to the bus stop. I took a bus to the train station. When the bus stopped, I saw the big station in front of me. The building was huge. There were many people. Some people were walking fast. Some were standing in line. Some were carrying heavy bags. The station was full of life. I took a deep breath. I said to myself, "This is the beginning." Before going to the platform, I felt a little hungry, so I went to a small shop inside the station. "Hello," I said to the shopkeeper. "Hello," he replied with a smile. "I would like a sandwich, please." He gave me one. "And a bottle of water, please." He gave me that too. "How much is it?" I asked. "It's $5, he said. I gave him the money. He gave me change. I said, "Thank you." He said, "Have a nice journey." I smiled. I felt warm inside. People were kind. I walked to the big screen. The screen showed the trains, numbers, times, platforms. I looked for my train. Yes, there it was. Train number 23. Departure time 9 a.m. Platform number 4. I held my bag tightly. I followed the signs, up the stairs, through the crowd, to platform 4. And then I saw it. The train. It was long. It was shiny. It was beautiful. I stopped for a moment. I just looked at it. My heart was happy. The whistle blew. People started walking inside. I showed my ticket to the conductor. He checked it. He said, "Coach B, seat 12." I nodded. I walked to Coach B. I found my seat. I sat down. I looked around. There were many people. some with children, some with bags, some reading newspapers. Next to me, there was an old man. He smiled at me. I smiled back, slowly, very slowly. The train began to move. Chug, chug, chug. The sound was new to me. The platform moved away. The station moved away. I looked outside the window. The world was moving. Trees, houses, fields, everything passed by. I felt free. I felt like flying. The old man next to me said, "Your first train ride?" "Yes," I said, with a shy smile. He laughed kindly. "Don't worry. You will enjoy it." Later, the conductor came. "Tickets, please," he said. Everyone showed tickets. I showed mine too. The old man asked me, "Where are you going?" I said, "I am going to River City." "Oh," he said, "River City is beautiful. You will like it." I smiled. I felt less nervous now. In front of me, a small boy was playing with a toy car. He looked at me. He said, "Hello." I laughed and said, "Hello." The boy's mother smiled too. The train was full of life, and I felt part of it. After some time, I felt hungry, so I stood up. I walked to the cafe car. There was a small counter. A man was selling tea, coffee, and snacks. "Hello," I said. "Hello," he answered. "I would like one tea, please." "Sure," he said. He gave me hot tea in a paper cup. I paid him. I said, "Thank you." I walked back with my tea. I sipped it slowly. It was warm and sweet, perfect for the journey. The train moved through the countryside. Green fields stretched far away. Cows were eating grass. Children were playing near small houses. I saw mountains in the distance. I saw rivers shining under the sun. The view was beautiful. It felt like a movie. I could not stop looking. I whispered to myself, "This is amazing." Suddenly, the train stopped. Not at a station, just in the middle of the track. People looked around. Some asked, "What happened?" The conductor walked by. "Don't worry," he said. "There is another train ahead. We will move soon." I waited. I felt curious, but not afraid. The old man next to me said, "This happens sometimes. It is normal." After 10 minutes, the train started again. Everyone relaxed. It was a small adventure, but it made the journey more exciting. After 2 hours, the train slowed down. The announcement said, "Next up, River City." My heart beat faster. The train entered the big station. It stopped. I stood up. I took my bag. I walked to the door. The old man smiled. He said, "Enjoy River City." I said, "Thank you. Goodbye." I stepped out. The station was full of people. The city was waiting for me. That was my first train journey. It was exciting. It was new. It was beautiful. I learned something important. Travel is not only about the place, it is also about the people you meet. The small conversations, the little adventures. I will never forget that journey, and I hope you enjoyed it too. Now it is your turn. Practice with me. Tell me in the comments, have you ever taken a train journey? Thank you for listening. Thank you for learning English with me. See you in the next video. Goodbye, my friend.